Right now I'm ready to go to the doctor. I'm going to walk there. This is about a mile or two. I don't know. I'm not sure. It's going to take me a few minutes to get there, so. Now this has got to be the healthiest way to go to the doctor, is to walk and get your blood rate up and all that stuff like this. Okay, I'm not going to the doctor because I'm sick or anything. It's just that you have to come here in order for him to continue your medication. Knowing that you need your medication, your doctor refuses to continue it through the pharmacy until you come in and give him some money so he can write you a script, sort of like a drug dealer.
Studio, and all I've used that studio space for is like managing the incoming mail. This is like the mail studio.
So I came from the doctor. I'm okay, and it's nothing really wrong with me. In any case, I should be walking every day. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm never gonna skip a walk day. I'm gonna always walk. So what I'm gonna do is, when I come home, even though I work 14 hours a day, because of doing which I said I was gonna be making videos. My videos are gonna be about golf and fishing whenever I get out to fish, but I love playing golf. So most of my subjects is gonna be about how to teach yourself golf, how to learn golf without spending thousands of dollars on instructions, when there's instructions on YouTube. There's hundreds of instructions on YouTube, game changes, this, that, all that. All my feeds are nothing but YouTube. So it's going to be a journey, and we're going to try to take that journey. And I'm quite sure it's going to be a little difficult for some of us, but you got to have understanding, and you got to be absorbing. You know, take it, practice. If you have nowhere to practice, just grab your clubs and swing it. You got a front lawn, practice. Take a tee, stick it in the ground, hit the tee. Set you up a net like I do. If you got a backyard, you can definitely set you up a net. Get you a hitting mat, get you a net. I only think it's a couple of $100. I don't think I spent maybe 100 and some change for it. I don't know, maybe 150. I don't know, but I have a mat in the net, and that's all you need. And once you start doing that, you'll start working on being able to work on different areas in your game. So until then, I'll see you guys later.